How to contact sellers on Amazon. Got a question about the product that you ordered? This guide shows you how to contact sellers on Amazon so you can get the answers to your questions. First, open the Amazon shopping app and go to the main menu. Tap on your orders to see a list of all your orders that you have done. Find the order that you want to contact the seller about and tap on it. On the orders page, look for View or Edit Order button. On the next page, you'll see a button that says Contact Seller. Tap on it to start a new message. You'll be asked to select a reason for contacting the seller, like a question about the product or the order. Type in a message to the seller and tap Send. The seller will receive your message and will respond to you as soon as possible. You can also find an Ask a Question button on the product page before you can buy the product. It's a great way to get answers to a question before you buy. You now know how to contact sellers on Amazon. Get ready to get the answers to your questions. Like and subscribe for more app tips.